Good morning, students. Actually, what happened in that last class? In that last class, we did not get that audio, right? So that is why again I made one more video with that same concept, and I am going to share. Okay. So this one again I will share. Just listen. So in last class, what we had learned? We learned about that means we proved all the formulas. Proofs of formulas we proved of the trigonometric ratios, right? What those are? What those are? First formula cos sin of a plus b we proved, right? Sin of a plus b, sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b. By using these four formulas, we proved sin 2a also, cos 2a, yes or no? Sin 3a, cos 3a. Next, tan of a plus b also we proved, tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b, right? Next, and what those are? Tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b. Next, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. These are all formulas we proved, right? And in that last class, I have given that in that last class, after completion of that last class, I have given that notes also. That all formulas notes I have given, right? And here some more formulas are there, which are no need to prove. Okay, those formulas also we should have to remember. Okay, so just I will give here what the formulas are there. So just remember, and you should have to by heart these all formulas, these trigonometric formulas, and as well as the values also we should have to remember. What those are? Sin 0 to 90 or 0 to 360, cos 0 to 360. These are values we should have to remember. Okay, yes. So here we proved already these formulas. What is that one? Sin of a plus b. What is the formula sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, next. Sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a sin b. Right? Next. Cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, next. Cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b. What is the formula of cos of a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay, yes. So by using these four formulas, now I am going to derive two more formulas. I am going to derive two more, 1, 2, 3, 4 formulas I am going to derive. What are they? Nothing easy. First you add these two formulas, then you will get one formula. That means you add these two formulas. What is that one? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You add these two formulas. What will you get? Just a second. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. You add these two. Adding means what will be? See, just observe here. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. When we are adding these two equations, what will be? This is sin a cos b, cos a sin b positive, cos a sin b negative. These two will be get cancelled or not? These two will be get cancelled. Then what will you get here? Sin a cos b plus sin a cos b. Sin a cos b, sin a cos b. 2 times are there. So what will you get here? 2 sin a cos b. Okay. So then what is the formula of sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. Okay. It is first formula. Second one. Now subtract these two. That means sin of a plus b plus minus sin of a minus b. Subtract. These two have subtract, right? Subtract means here minus, here minus means plus. Subtract. So sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. If you subtract these two equations, what will you get here? Sin a cos b minus sin a cos b. So these two will be get cancelled, right? Yes. Here plus cos a sin b plus cos a sin b. Cos a sin b, cos a sin b. 2 times. So what is the formula? It is 2 cos a sin b. Remember. So sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. What is the formula of this one? 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. Understand? Two formulas we got. Next, third one. Next, what we have to do? Add these two formulas. Add these two equations. What is that one? Cos. Left side what is there? Cos of a plus b. Cos of a minus b. So what it is? Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Add these two. If you add these two, so this minus sin a cos b, minus sin a sin b plus sin a sin b. These two will be getting cancelled. Then what will be? Cos a cos b, cos a cos b. 2 times. So what will get there? 2 cos a cos b will be. Understand? Yes. Next, fourth one. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Subtract these two. If you are subtracting these two means it is okay. This one minus here minus here. Subtracting means this is cos a cos b minus cos a cos b. Both will be getting cancelled. It is positive, it is negative. Right? Then it is minus sin a sin b. Minus sin a sin b. So minus 2 sin a sin b. Minus 2 sin a sin b. Understand? Yes. So that means these 4 formulas also very very important. These 4 formulas we derived from these 4 formulas. Okay. What is the first one? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. What is the formula? 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. Next, sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. 2 cos a sin b. Next, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 cos a cos b. Cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Minus 2 sin a sin b. Remember these 4 formulas. Okay. And next, one more formula. What is the formula it is? Remember, sin c plus sin d formula. First one, sin c plus sin d. C and d, you can take a and b also no problem. You can take here x and y also no problem. Sin x plus sin y, or else sin c plus sin d, or else sin a plus sin d. You can take any one. For our convenience, here I am taking sin c. C means some variable, some angle. D also some angle. Okay, yes, sin c plus sin d. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. It is sin c plus sin d. Next, sin c minus sin d. Formula of sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, next, this second one. Third one, cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Next, fourth one, cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d. What is the formula of cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. These 4 formulas we have to remember. These 4 formulas we have to remember. Okay, and except this one, some more formulas also are there. What are they? Just see. We know the formula for sin 2a. What is the formula for sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. Right? We already proved this one. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Just observe here. What is the angle here? 2a. If here it is 2a sin 2a, here what you got? 2 sin a cos a. A means half of this 2a. No? Half means one a will have got. In 2a, 1a you got here, 1a you got here. Yes or no? Here next again same formula. Here sin a is going to find. Sin a. Here it is sin 2a. What is the formula of sin 2a? 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. But here what is the formula of sin a? Here 2a. Here what we got? A you got. It is a. Here what you got here? In this 2a, half you got here, one half here you got. Here also sin a formula 2 sin, it is a. What you get? Half of the a by 2. And cos a by 2. You will get it. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Suppose next cos 2a and writing here. What is the formula of cos 2a in terms of cos and sin? Cos square a minus sin square a. Cos square a minus sin square a. Here 2a is there. Here we got angle a. Here also we got angle a only. Right? Next here what I am doing here? Cos a I am writing. Cos a. Here 2a is there. Here a you got. Angle a we got. Right? Here only a is there. Here what you get? Cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. This is the formula. Cos a formula. Cos square a by 2 minus sin square a by 2. Clear? Yes. Next. Here one more formula is there in terms of cos, in terms of sin also. So what is the R? 2 cos square a minus 1. Here 2a is there. Here a you got. Here a is there. Here what you get? 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Or here what is there? 1 minus 2 sin square a. Cos 2a formula in terms of sin. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Here 2a is there. Here a you got. Here only a is there. Here what you get? 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So same like this. About tan also you can write. Tan also. So what is tan? Tan 2a formula. Tan 2a. We will write tan 2a later. First sin 2a formula in terms of tan and sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula. What is that one? 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Right? Here 2a is there. 2a is there. Here what you got? A you got. Angle a you got. Suppose sin a only is there. Sin a. Here what you get here? 2 tan a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2 you get. Here a is there. A by 2 you get. These angles are called sub-multiple angles. These angles are called sub-multiple angles. Okay, remember. Next, suppose cos 2a formula in terms of tan. What is that one? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Here 2a is there. A you got. Angle a you got. Here what I am writing here? Cos a writing. Cos a means what is the formula? 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. Okay, so same like this, tan 2a is the formula. Tan 2a 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Here 2a is there, a you got. Same like this here also, tan a formula. What is that one? 2 tan square a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. Okay, so these are the formulas. Okay, I have given these are formulas. In yesterday notes, right? So that is why what you have to do, you should have to remember all these formulas. Okay, yes. So remember these are formulas. By using these formulas, now by using these formulas, we have to solve some questions, that means some applications. Okay, first question. What is given here? First, what I am doing here? Find the values of. What I am finding here? Find the values of. Which value I am going to find here? Sin 75 degrees I am finding. Okay. Sin 15 also I am finding. Next, cos 75, cos 15, tan 75, tan 15. These are values I am going to find by using our formulas, whatever we are having. Whatever we are having. Okay? See. First of what I am finding here? Sin 75 finding. Sin 75. How can you find sin 75 here? Actually here sin 75 there is no value. But we are having some values. What are they? Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45. Isn't it? Sin 60, sin 90, sin 180, sin 270. These are the values we are having. But we don't know this value. We don't know this value. So to find this value, that means sin 75 degrees value we have to find. To find this value, how I am writing here for our convenience, I am writing like this: 45 plus 30 degrees. 75 how I wrote? 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30 means 75 or not? Why you wrote like this only? Why you wrote like this only? Why? Because yes, is sin of 45 plus 30. Why you divided like this form only? Why? Because these values are standard values. We are having these standard values. Sin 45 or cos 45, sin 30 or cos 30. We are having those values or not? Yes, we are having those values. That is why we have to write this 75 as like this, 45 and 30. Don't write like this. Suppose 75 I wrote like this, 20 plus 55 I wrote. It is also 75. But after expand this one, what is sin 20, cos 20? Do you have sin 20 value? Do you have cos 20 value? Or do you have sin 55 value? Do you have cos 55 value? We are not having. That is why you cannot write like this manner. You should have to write this 75 as like 45 and 30. 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30, 75. So if you expand this one by using formula, compulsory what will you get? You will get the standard values. Sin 45 or cos 45, sin 30 or cos 30. Why we have to write these values like in our standard values. Okay? Yes. Now this one I am going to expand it. What form it is? What the form it is? Sin of a plus b form. Sin of this a, this b. Sin of a plus b form. What is sin of a plus b? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Yes or no? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here a value 45, b value 30. A value 45, b value 30. Apply in this formula. Then what will you get? What will you get? Sin a means 45. Sin a cos b means 30. Plus sin a cos b plus cos a. Cos a means 45 into sin b. B means 30. B means 30. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we are having these all values or not? I hope you understand why I wrote this 75 like this 45 and 30. Why? Because after applying this formula, sin of a plus b, we got our standard values only. Isn't it? Yes. So now sin 45 value we have 1 by root 3. Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Cos 30 value, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Remember these values. Okay? Yes. Plus cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. Then what will be? Numerator you have to multiply, denominator you have to multiply. Multiply root 3 to 1, root 3 by 2 root 2. Plus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. Here denominator is same. So what is the LCM here? LCM is 2 root 2 only, right? So 2 root 2 only LCM. So 2 root 2 is cancelled 2 root 2 one time. 1 into root 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 is cancelled 2 root 2 one time. 1 into 1. So what is the value it is? Sin 75 value. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 75 value root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Understand? Like this manner we have to solve. Next, one more value is given. Sin 15. This is also like this manner only how to solve. That is also we have to solve like this manner only. What is that one? Sin 15 degrees. This is also how can you write it? Sin 15 degrees. How can you write it? This one I am going to write like this. 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30. Can you write like this? Yes. If you write like this, what will be? 45 minus 30, 15. Why you wrote to 45 and 30 only? Now what I told you. Compulsory, if you expand this one by the formula, you will get standard values. To getting the standard values, we should have to write that one as 45 and 30 only. Understand? Yes. Now expand this one. Sin of A minus B formula. Sin of A minus B. What is the formula of sin of A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. A means here 45, B means here 30. Substitute here sin A sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30. Clear? Yes. So write these values. Sin 45. Same only. Same value. Sin 45 cos 30. Sin 45 cos 30. Minus. Here plus is there but here minus is there. Same values. Okay. 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. Minus. Here what is that? 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. If you simplify this one. Root 3 by 2 root 2. Minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Now take LCM here. 2 root 2 is LCM. Then what will be? Root 3 minus 2. Here what is the value? Sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Understand? So same like this manner, you should have to solve this cos 75, cos 15 also. Same manner. Like how it is? Sin 75 we wrote same like this cos 75 also. Cos 75 means cos of 45 plus 30. Cos of A plus B form. What is the formula of cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Substitute, write the values, take LCM and simplify, you will get that value. This is also same. Sorry, cos of 15. This is also same. Cos of 15 means 45 minus 30. We have to write like this only. Clear? So, these two questions solve yourself. These two questions solve yourself. Next I am going to explain tan 75. I am going to explain about tan 75. How can you find this tan 75? Tan 75. Just to see. Tan 75, tan 75. Okay. Again, how can you write this 75? Same procedure. Tan 45 plus 30. Now what I told you, how can you write this 45 and 30? These two are standard values. We are having the standard values. That is why I am writing this 75 as well. 45 plus 30. Okay? Next, tan of which form it is? It is A, it is B. Tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B. What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Clear? Yes. So apply here. A means 45, B means 30. Tan of A plus B, 45 plus 30. Apply. So what will we get here? Tan A means 45 plus tan B means 30 by 1 minus tan 45 tan 30. tan A plus tan B. A means 45, B means 30. By 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. Clear? Now, write this value. Tan 45. Tan 45 value 1. Plus tan 30. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. By 1 minus tan 45. Tan 45 value 1. Tan 30 value. What is the tan 30? 1 by root 3. Clear? Now, here what will be? Take LCM at numerator. Root 3 is LCM. Then it will be root 3 minus 1. By here also. 1 into 1 by root 3 means 1 by root 3 only. Here also what is LCM here? Root 3 only. So root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 getting cancelled. Here plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. What you got here? Tan 75 degrees is equal to, tan 75 is equal to, what you got here? Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, but it is an irrational number. At the denominator, root 3 minus 1, irrational number. You cannot keep this denominator as irrational number. That is why what we have to do, we should have to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing means you should have to multiply and divide by opposite value of root 3 minus 1. Opposite value in the sense it is root 3 plus 1. It is root 3 minus 1. Opposite is minus is there means plus you have to. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Multiply and divide. Now what will be this? A plus B into A plus B. Both are the same or not? Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So root 3 plus 1 whole square by A minus B into A plus B, or A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A square minus B square means root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Next expand this one. A plus B whole square form. A plus B whole square. A plus whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into A means root 3 into 1. By root 3 whole square means square root get cancel 3. Minus 1 square means 1. Here square root 2 both will be get cancelled. Right? Yes. Then what will be this? Root 3 whole square square root 2 get cancelled 3 it is. Plus 1 it is. Plus 2 root 3. By 3 minus 1, 2. Next what we got here? Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 means, sorry, 3 plus 1. Root 3 whole square, root 2 square get cancelled. 3 is there. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, 4 is there, 2 is there. From these two terms, you can take out common 2. Take common 2. Then here what will be 2. Plus 2 and take common here, root 3 will be there. By 2. 2 getting cancelled. Then what is that one? 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. That 2 plus root 3 means what is the value is? Tan 75 value. Tan 75 value. Tan 75 value 2 plus root 3. Tan 75 value 2 plus root 3. Understand? So like this manner we have to find that tan 75 degrees value. Same like this tan 15 also we have to find. What we have to find? Tan 15 also. Tan 15 means how can you find it? Procedure is same as it is. Okay, just to see. I will explain that. Tan 15. Tan 15. How can I write this one? Tan 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30. 15. Yes. Right. Tan A minus B form. It is A, it is B. Tan A minus B. What is the formula of tan of A minus B? Tan of A minus B formula. Tan A, tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Okay, yes. Then apply here. Tan 45 a means tan a minus tan b means 30 by 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Clear? Yes. Next, tan 45 value 1 minus tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Okay? Yes. 1 plus tan 45 value 1, tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Here also root 3 is LCM. This will be root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Here root 3 is LCM. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Root 3 getting cancelled. Then what you got here? What you got? Tan 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay? Yes. Next. Here it is denominator root 3 plus 1 means it is irrational. Compulsory you have to convert into rational form. Okay? So that is why what we will do? We have to rationalize the denominator. To do rationalize the denominator, what I am doing is root 3 plus 1 is there. I am multiplying and dividing by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. I am multiplying and dividing by root 3 minus 1. Okay, then simplify this one. Here root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So, root 3 minus 1 whole square by, here a plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So, root 3 whole square minus root 3 whole square minus 1 square. It is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. 2a means root 3, b means 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A value root 3, b value 1. Denominator square root getting cancelled 3. 3 minus 1. Here again square root getting cancelled 3 plus 1 square means 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay? Yes. Next, 3 plus 1, 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. Here what is there? 4 minus 2. Okay. 4 minus 2 root 3. Here 4 is there, 2 is there. Can you take it out common 2 or not? Yes. Take it out common 2. Here 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 getting cancelled. 2 minus root 3. What will I do? Tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus 14. 2 minus root 3. Like this manner we have to find the values. Okay? That means whatever the value we are going to find, compulsory you should have to write those are in standard forms. And next you have to use the formulas and you have to simplify. Okay? Yes. And here one more question is there. What is that one? Tan 13 pi by 12 you have to find. Which value you have to find? 13 pi by 12. Simplify this one first. Tan 13 pi means 180 by 12. Simplify this one, you will get 15 times tan 15. What you get here? Tan 15. Tan 15 means how can I write? Tan 45 minus 30. Tan of a minus b formula. This formula. If you simplify this one only you will get. That means now only we prove this value. Tan 15. What is the value of tan 15? 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Understand? Which value? Tan 13 pi by 12 value. Tan 13 pi by 12 or tan 15, both are same only. Both are same only. Remember that. Okay? Yes. It is about these questions. Okay. Next, I am going to solve the example questions. Wait a minute. Yes. Now I am going to solve that example questions. Example questions in the sense, what is that one? Example 10. I am going to solve example 10. What is example 10 is given here? Example 10. Prove that 3 sin pi by 6 secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 cot 5 by 4 is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. We have to prove this value is equal to 1. We have to prove this value equal to 1. To prove this one, what we have to do? We have to take LHS. Take LHS. Let LHS. Let LHS. What is LHS? 3 sin 5 by 6 secant 5 by 3 minus 4 sin 5 by 6 cot 5 by 4. Okay. Now I am going to simplify. Simplification means we know these are values. Sin 5 by 6. 5 by 6 means 30. Sin 30 value. If 3 is there, that's why 3 only like this. Sin 30 value. Sin 30 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into secant 5 by 3. 5 by 3 means it is 60. It is 30, right? 5 by 3 means 60. Secant 60. Secant 60. To find secant 60, secant means reciprocal of cos or not. First find cos 60. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. Secant means 1 by cos. 1 by 1 by 2. 2 you will get. That means secant 60 value 2. Secant 60 value 2. Okay? Yes. Next minus 4 into sin 5 pi by 6. We don't know that value. 5 pi by 6 value we are not having. So we have to find that value. How can you find this value? Sin of. This is 5 pi by 6. We already solved this value. 5 pi by 6. How I am writing? 5 minus 5 by 6 I am writing. Can I write like this? Just multiply here. 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi. 5 pi by 6. Yes or no? Yes. Cot pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 45. Cot 45 value 1 into 1. Okay. Now here 2 getting cancelled. This value 3 minus 4 into sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta means which quadrant it is? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is positive. So this value will get a positive. Okay. It is 180. So sin, the trigonometric sign does not change. Okay. So sin as sin only. Sin theta means here pi by 6. Pi by 6. Clear? Yes. So that is equal to 3 minus 4 into sin. Pi by 6 means 30. Sin 30 value. Sin 30 value. Sin 30 value. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2 is cancelled 2 times. So 3 minus 2. That is equal to 1. We got RHS value or not? RHS value 1. Have you proved? Proved. Nothing it is. These values we have to substitute that much only. If that value is not there, we have to find that value. You know already how to find these type of values. I already explained. Right? Next question. Example 11. Example 11 I already explained. Sin 15 is given. I already explained that value. Example 12 also I explained. Tan 13 pi by 12. I explained that question also. Example 13. Example 13. Example 13, what is given here? Prove that sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y. Tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y. We have to prove this one. To prove this one, first take LHS. We will prove RHS. Okay? First take LHS. What is LHS here? Let LHS. Sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y. Sin of x plus y. That means in which form it is? Sin of a plus b form. Sin of a plus b form. So sin of a plus b. What is the formula? Sin a means in x. It is a is b. Sin a means sin x cos y plus cos x sin. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b A means x here, B means y. By what is denominator? Sin x minus y. Sin of x minus y. Sin of x minus y means sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, just observe here. This one in terms of sin and cos only. In terms of sin and cos only. Terms of sin and cos. Terms of sin and cos only. But we have to convert this one into terms of tan. To convert in terms of tan, now what I am doing here? I am dividing by cos x into cos y at numerator and as well as at denominator. That means what I am doing? Divide by cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y at numerator and denominator. At numerator and denominator. Divide. What will you get? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y whole by next sin x cos y minus cos x sin y by cos x cos y by cos x cos y sin x sin cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y. I divided by cos x cos y. Divided by cos x cos y. Next, make separate these two. Separate these two. What will be? That is equal to this term by this term. What will be? Sin x cos y by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y by sin x cos y by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y cos x sin y by cos x cos y. Okay, now here what will be getting cancelled? Cos y getting cancelled. Here cos x getting cancelled. Here cos y getting cancelled. Here cos x getting cancelled. Then what will be left here? Sin x by cos x tan x plus sin y by cos y tan y by sin x by cos x tan x minus sin by cos tan y is there. What we have to do? This is only how to do. Sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by tan x minus tan y. We have to prove. So this is the process. Understand? Like this manner we have to do. Nothing I done. I have taken LHS and it is in the form of sin of a plus b. I wrote the formula. It is in the form of sin of a minus b. I wrote the formula. And to converting this sin tans of sin and cos into tan, I divided by cos x into cos y at numerator and denominator also. I divide by cos x into cos y at numerator and denominator also. Yes. Then next what will be? I made it separated. This term by this term plus this term by this term. This term by this term minus this term by this term. And some terms are getting cancelled. I cancel them. Then whatever the remaining terms, those are giving tan x term, tan y term, tan x term, tan y term. Here plus or minus 1. It is equal to RHS. Understood? Understand? These questions we have to solve like this manner. Very, very easy. So that means to understand these questions, first what you have to know, you should have to know about the formulas first. If you know the formulas, then you can solve these all easily. Okay, that is why what I am saying here. First you should have to prepare the formulas perfectly. Okay. Yes. and remaining I will explain in next class. Okay? Thank you.